Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a website which is going to be very useful for you guys. As you guys know, in the last video series, we have discussed about the Photoshop, the basics of the Photoshop, like a move tool, layers, shapes, and other things about. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about a website which is going to be very useful for you guys, and this is also connected with the Photoshop. So the name of website is FreePic, and here you are going to get the templates, a lot of templates which will be in PSD format. I mean those will be in Photoshop format. You can edit them Photoshop. They will be fully ready. You just need to change the information of them. So for example, you want to search ID card. Simply you have to press the ID card here and then press the enter. After pressing enter, you are going to see a lot of ID card samples. Now you have to select some filters, like you have to select the PSD. You want to see only Photoshop documents, which you can edit them in Photoshop easily. After that, you have to select the free, because this is also here. Also, you're going to get the premium one. So you have to choose the free one. So after that, for example, I am going to choose this one. So click on this and click on the download. Then click on the free download. After free downloading, it will be downloaded here. As you can see, it's downloading. It's done. Now click on this one, and here you are going to see the Photoshop document. You have to double click on it. It will be opened here. As you can see, it's open. Now you can change it as per your need. Simply you have to take the text tool as we discussed in the last class, replace it. You have to change the names. Like I'm going to change the name Safir Raza. Now you have to select this one and you have to make it bold or whatever you want. You can do that. If you want to change the color of this shape, you can also do that. It's up to you. Double click on it and you want to use a color like this blue, or it's all things you can change and you can maintain them as per your need, as per your decision. If you want a ID card, you can also do that. If you want a CV, if you want a Pinaflex, it's up to you. You can take any design from FreePic and edit it into a Photoshop without wasting your time. They will be ready-made. So I hope this video is going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.